Well, joining us now, Atul Singhal. He's the founder and CEO of Scriptbox. Thank you so much for joining us on this program. Now, we've been hearing about the power of micro lending in helping people becoming self-reliant. Tell us about the power of social peer-to-peer lending, social investing, as we call it, where these investments, which could be small sums of money from many, can help break traditional barriers in order to access credit.
Thank you, Bhaskar, and good evening to all of you. First and foremost, I will believe, Lavanya, you will become a doctor. हमारी यही प्रार्थना है कि आप कि सारे एम्बिशन पूरे हो. Low income should not mean low ambition. Low income should not mean low opportunity. From a social enterprise perspective, there's a huge multiplier effect for entrepreneurship. God has been very kind to us. We've been entrepreneurs. And because we're able to create jobs, because we're able to sort of mentor other entrepreneurs, it leads to growth. I have a little bit of experience in microlending. And we know that the moment you're able to finance any business or you're able to finance, they're able to provide jobs, they're able to provide self-reliance, they're able to provide respect. And those are really important for people to grow. Now you combine that with the power of technology, which is available today, and the common man can actually reach out to much more. When we were bankers, or in my previous avatar, the cost of lending for a large institution to small micro loans is just prohibitive, and it doesn't make any sense.
Right.
Whereas something like what Rangde does, and I really respect Smita and Ram, that when they're combining the power of peer-to-peer lending, social good, technology, good credit appraisal, and good cause, the multiplier effect is just phenomenal. It just gives me goosebumps to believe what can be achieved by these people, whether it's in the small villages, whether it's in the semi-urban India, even urban India, small shopkeepers. Now you combine that with like people like Lavanya or children who can sort of grow, and their parents do not curtail their ambitions, because people like us who are more privileged can contribute, will be powerful.
जी सिंघल जी, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी, जो हमारे सफल उद्योगपति होते हैं, सफल कारोबारी होते हैं, वो कैसे फेलो सिटीजन्स को एक राह दिखा सकते हैं कि इस सामाजिक इसमें निवेश करना चाहिए?
भगवान की बहुत कृपा है कि हम लोगों को भगवान ने जो दिया, ये हमारा कुछ तो हमारी मेहनत थी, बहुत ये भी था कि हम कहाँ पैदा हुए थे और किसको पैदा हुए थे. आई एम अ लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल सन, एंड उनकी यही मानना था कि एजुकेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि हम लोग अफोर्ड कर चुके हैं. मैं मेयो कॉलेज गया, IIT गया, IIM गया, दिस नॉट टू शो ऑफ, बट क्योंकि हमारी एजुकेशन अच्छी थी, हम कुछ कमा पाए. तो हमसे ये बनता है कि हमने जो कमाया हम देश को वापस दें. तो जो उद्योगपति हैं, जो हैं, अपना अच्छा अपनी जिंदगी जिए, पर जरूरी ये भी है कि हम बाकी जितना हमसे बन पते, जो हम कहते हैं सेव, इन्वेस्ट, ग्रो, गिव. सो आई रन अ वेल्थ मैनेजमेंट कंपनी. उसमें हम ये जरूर मानते हैं कि ये चारों लेग्स बहुत जरूरी हैं. आप सेव भी करिए, इन्वेस्ट, निवेश भी करिए, अपना पैसा बढ़ाइए, और जो बढ़ता है वो वापस भी दीजिए. सो गिविंग इज एज इंपॉर्टेंट एज ग्रोइंग योर वेल्थ.